So today we're unboxing this beautiful dinosaur toy and she was so excited to get it. So the first thing we did was fit in the tail. Very easy to do. The tail is very movable and it's time to charge it up. So you charge it up by plugging it in and she was able to control it. This dinosaur toy is so easy to use. Your child can make it go forward, and also one thing is this, it can go backwards. This is amazing. This is a very cool toy for your kids, and it also makes sounds. So this is a great gift for a little one, a little girl, a little boy, and your child will be occupied for hours playing with it. One thing I like is it also comes with almost like a scavenger hunt mystery book, and I love it because she had so many puzzles, and this is amazing, amazing toy.